Hello friends, welcome back to Exams Made Easy. I hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to discuss a recruitment notification for Scientist B, and this recruitment notification is released by DRDO or Defense Research and Development Organization, and total number of vacancy is 176 number, as you can see here on the screen. And friends, the various engineering disciplines are, if you look at electronics and communication engineering, mechanical engineering, computer science and engineering, electrical engineering, material science and engineering, metallurgical engineering, physics, chemistry, chemistry engineering, aeronautical engineering, mathematics, civil engineering, and psychology. And last date of application is 10th July 2020. So friends, before we begin, I'd like to inform you that here in Exams Made Easy, you can get all the engineering recruitment notification, be it central government engineering recruitment notification, various other state governments, and also all the other public sector undertaking organizations. So if you have not yet subscribed this channel, then please subscribe and never forget to press the bell icon to never miss any further updates. So friends, let's start the analysis in detail. If you look at the first post, that is Scientist B, and the engineering discipline is electronics and communication engineering. Educational qualification is at least first class bachelor's degree in engineering or technology in electronics and communication engineering from a recognized university, and the candidate must also possess any of the following additional qualification. So what are the following additional qualification? Either you have a valid GATE score in electronics and communication engineering, or minimum 80% aggregate marks in the above degree if done from an institute, that is IIT or NIT. So if you have done your bachelor's degree from IIT or NIT, and if you have scored minimum 80%, then no need to show a valid GATE score. Okay, so friends, if you look at the age limitations, as on 10th July 2020, maximum age limitation is 28 years, and emolument of rupees 80,000 per month will be provided. If you look at the second post, Scientist B, total number of vacancies 35. Educational qualification is first class bachelor's degree in engineering, and all other qualifications are same. Age limitation is also same, and emolument is also same, friends. So if you look at the third post, Scientist B, computer science and engineering, total number of vacancies 31. Educational qualification is bachelor's degree in computer science and engineering, and friends, all the other qualifications are also same. If you look at the electrical engineering, at least first class bachelor degree in degree in engineering or technology in electrical engineering from a recognized university, and valid GATE score in electrical engineering is required. And if you look at the age limitation, 28 years, an emolument of 80,000 will be provided. For material science and engineering or metallurgical engineering, bachelor's degree is required in engineering or technology in metallurgy from a recognized university. So if you have done your bachelor degree of engineering in metallurgical engineering, then you can apply for material science and engineering as well as metallurgical engineering for both the posts. And friends, valid GATE score is also required. Maximum age limitation is 28 years as on 10th July 2020, and emolument is also same. For the post of physics category, friends, total number of vacancy 8. First class master's degree is required, and valid GATE score is also required. And age limitation and emolument is also same for this post. For chemistry, master's degree is required as well as valid GATE score is also required, and all the other criteria are same. If you look at the chemistry engineering, total number of vacancies 6. First class bachelor degree in engineering technology in chemical engineering from a recognized university, and valid GATE score is also required. Age limitation and emolument is also same for this post. And aeronautical engineering, total number of vacancies 4. Educational qualification is bachelor's degree in the relevant field, and valid GATE score is required, and age limitation and emolument will be provided same as the previous posts. And friends, mathematics, number of vacancies 4. At least first class master's degree in mathematics from a recognized university is required. Valid GATE score is required. Age limitation and emolument is same as the previous post. For civil engineering, scientist, number of vacancies 3. Bachelor's degree in civil engineering is required, as well as valid GATE score in civil engineering is also required. Age limitation is 28 years, and emolument is 80,000 per month. And psychology, scientist, this is the last post, friends. Total number of vacancies 10. First class master's degree in psychology is required, and qualified the NET exam for eligibility to assess the professorship in psychology. And NET June exam June 2020 candidates can also apply. and age limitation is 28 years as on 10th July 2020. So now friends, I am going to discuss the procedure of application, how you can apply. This is the website by following which you can apply online. The link is provided in the description box. By following the link, you can directly jump to that particular page. And if you look at the application fee, only 100 rupees you have to pay as application fee, and no application fee is required in case of SC, ST, physically challenged category of candidates, and for women's. So friends, this was all about the recruitment notification. Online application procedure will start from 22nd May 2020 and it will continue till 10th July 2020. Thanks for watching as always. Have a nice day ahead.